Hello everyone! Today I will talk about the 5 best pressure washers you can buy on Amazon in 2025. We will analyze the features, pros and cons, and I will help you understand which one is right for you. You can find all the purchase links in the description. First, Kärcher K 5 Power Control. It's not just a pressure washer, it's your ally against dirt. Imagine, one swipe and the terrace shines again, the car sparkles, and the garden furniture looks new. LED display, quick accessory change, reliability by Kärcher. It's not the cheapest, but every euro spent is worth it. Second, Bosch Advanced Aquatech 150. Do you like power? This is a real monster. 150 bars, metal pump, accessories for the most stubborn dirt. It doesn't matter if you have to clean a wall, a driveway, or a rusty gate. It can manage, but be careful. It's heavy, demanding, and perhaps excessive if you just need to give your bike a rinse. Third, Nilfisk C135.1-8PC. Compact, elegant, intelligent. This pressure washer is perfect for those looking for an all-rounder for every occasion. Easy to store, simple to use, but with surprising power. Nilfisk is a trusted brand for professionals, and this model is a great balance for home use. Fourth, Lavor Wash Galaxy 160. Do you want maximum power at the lowest price? Here's your hero. This machine tackles household tasks without any issues, and its 160 bars says it all. Sure, the materials are simpler, and the assembly is not luxurious, but for what it costs, it's a bargain. Fifth, Makita AWB UMA Fin1. This is not a toy, it's a serious tool. Designed for professionals seeking reliability and long-lasting durability. Brass pump, metal components, integrated filters. The Makita AKB 151 is ready for heavy challenges day after day. But be aware it costs and weighs. It's an investment for years. In short, Kärcher for those seeking reliability, Bosch for power enthusiasts, Nilfisk for those who want a versatile machine, Lavor Wash for the budget conscious, Makita for true professionals. You can find all purchase links in the description. Bye!